very मेहरबानी जो time spare कयो and you are with us today. Jazakallah sir. I'm really grateful to Dr. Ziaul Qayyum Sahab because in fact, as he just mentioned, there is a way, it's a long way journey, and he gradually is taking care of all the steps along with the Nahi and really looking up into the matters in a sense that our overall impact of this entire program should be revealed in a couple of years. So let me share here that for any policy making or any policy implementation, we cannot really expect that before 5 years kuch results aana shuru ho jayenge. So it really takes time. But the way, the consistency and the passion, the word that you used, you're working along with the Nahi team, I'm really positive that we all collectively will be able to impact and at least bring something out of it for our youth in the future, inshallah. I'm really grateful to Nazir Saab who being with us, Dr. Saab, Dr. Abid Sahab and Mr. Sohail as a coordinator. But also I'm very grateful to Mr. Irfan Biroi because he and Sohail Sahab was coordinating continuously together now to make this day possible. Everyone, every individual who contributed is really, really heartfelt at the moment because if we really think collectively for the prosperity of the institution, of the nation, then of course we can grow. Because it's a high time, we have been struggling a lot since multiple issues that we are surrounded with. लेकिन सर वो जो word 4 P's का मैं आपको दिखा रही थी, उसके अंदर when we have started, means the day I joined that university, I really realized that something that we have to collectively work upon are these 4 words. And these 4 words in fact is an acronym for promoting peace, prosperity, positivity and passion. So we are looking forward for all these dimensions, alhamdulillah, and gradually we all collectively are working here. Let me share with you, because we are a new university, हमारे पास हैं ही lecturer और assistant professors, तो आज हम सबको collectively बिठा कर यहाँ training organize कर रहे हैं, but gradually we are looking forward that the same people will grow और ये सभी associate भी होंगे इंशाल्लाह, professor भी होंगे with the span of time, क्योंकि हमारी field थोड़ी different है, it's an art and design. In art and design, of course, the criteria for the appointment is different, induction के तरीके different हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें मुख्तलिफ हैं, but of course keeping this all thing in the sense we are trying to grow together, not as a university but of course as an institutions which can facilitate each other irrespective they are from technology, from engineering, from science, लेकिन सबको हम साथ मिलाकर कैसे चल सकते हैं, we are working on it. So let me take an opportunity to share with you कि हमारे first year के students, in fact they are eagerly waiting for you और वो इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि आज वो अपना काम आपके साथ शेयर कर सकें. They came up with their personal sketches. They are displayed in the gallery. So after that we would request you to kindly join us there. उन बच्चों को भी हम थोड़ी energy दें. लेकिन then at the final stage I would also request you to inaugurate our foreign faculty hostel, which is just opened last night for your guests of the Nahi. लेकिन आज हम उसका formally कर्टन हटाएंगे आपके हाथ से ताकि that's also an HEC funded project. In fact it's the first building that we are going to inaugurate today in your presence, so आप उसको witness भी करें. And thank you very much once again for being with us. It's a small contribution which we can all collectively working upon, so together we'll grow, inshallah together we'll prosper. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you very much.